At this year's Cincinnati Home and Garden Show, Butler Tech's construction science students of Northwest High School teamed up with Midwest Stonescapes and R&K Development to build a show-stopping patio with eye-catching landscaping.
We got to work on this display we're building for Stonescapes, and it's been a lot of work. It's new and it's fun.
What I really like about today is the students get to come down into a real job site and a real work environment and see all different kinds of contractors in action.
By being exposed to this real-world experience, students are learning firsthand from seasoned professional skills they've not yet mastered.
Didn't know how to do a roof at first, but now I'm watching everybody else. I know how to keep everything, in place, like support and how to measure it out and stuff like that.
Got to do everything from lay stone walls to carpentry work, and they're doing electric work and even a little bit of plumbing work.
It's also preparing them for their future.
Just like watching a manager walk around, he's telling people you need to do this and stand on top of people, supervising everybody. That's something I want to be and what I want to do one day.
The company that's we're working with down here right now has been super gracious to let us come down and work side by side with their guys so they can see what it's like a day in the life.
But above all, students can walk away with this experience with a sense of pride in their work and stronger bonds with each other.
We're kind of bonding together through this process. We're learning to work with each other, to cooperate, and kind of get to know each other while we're doing this.
They're going to be able to come down here with their parents and say, hey, I laid all that stone. I set that truss. I drilled all those holes to put the bolts and the wires through. And just really showcase them. It's just so much about them.